Hello class 4. Our Earth is a beautiful planet. You can see mountains, hills, valleys. You also can see deserts, forests, plateaus, plains. There are oceans, seas and rivers and variety of other landforms. All together they make our planet beautiful. And as you have learned before that three parts of the earth are water and only one part of the earth is land. Though only one part of the earth is land, it is spread across the whole earth, and the largest form of or area of land is called continent. Can you tell me how many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents. Can you name them? Yes, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, and the last one, Australia. Good. Now take your social study book and turn to page number 46. Our topic is major geographical forms. So we are going to learn about major geographical forms. Now look at your book. Major geographical forms. Continents. Though land covers only one part of the Earth's surface, it is spread across the whole Earth. The largest areas of land are called continents. There are 7 continents as you already have mentioned. Now, let us go to the next page. See, there is a map given. Map of the world. Look at the map and once again tell me the name of the continents. Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Now can you tell me which continent is the biggest one? Yes, Asia. And which continent is the smallest one? Yes, Australia. And where do we live? Yes, we live in India. And where is India? India is in the southern part of Asia. Large area of water is called ocean. Can you tell me how many oceans are there? 5 oceans, correct. Can you name them? Yes. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Now look at your book once again. See, children, many thousands years ago, there was only one big piece of land, and over a long period of time, this piece of land got broken up into different parts, and continents were formed. They were separated by water bodies, and these water bodies are called oceans and seas. And as you have mentioned, the 5 names of oceans, you can find them here in the picture. See, look at this side. Here is Pacific Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. On top, Arctic Ocean. Here down, Southern Ocean, and here is Indian Ocean. Children, which is the largest ocean? Yes, Pacific Ocean. And which is the smallest ocean? Okay, I'll tell you. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And you know, almost all the water bodies in the earth have got salty water. Go to the next page. The smaller areas of water are called seas. Some important seas are Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Arabian Sea, and South China Sea. Children, do you have atlas at home? If you have got atlas at home, then find out the seas in your atlas. Now look at the book again. The wind pushes the water in the oceans and seas, making it move. This movement makes waves in the water, which look like a line of moving water. During a storm, when the wind blows strongly, the waves can be high and powerful. This is dangerous for boats and for people who may be in the water. Children, when wind pushes the water on the ocean and seas, they make waves, and these waves look like a line. If you have gone to the seashore, you have seen a line of wave is coming one after the other. Now, when this wave becomes very powerful due to the movement of the wind, these waves become very strong and therefore they become very dangerous. They can destroy the houses, the properties, they can uproot the trees and electric poles. So they become very dangerous due to the power of the wind. Now you see Umphun is coming, or Amphan, whatever may you call it. So if you are looking at the television, you will find the huge waves are coming and hitting the seashore. The areas where the land meets the sea are called coast. Where the coast is flat, it is called a beach. Many beaches have sand. People go to the sandy beaches to enjoy the sea. The land where the water, the sea water or the ocean water is meeting, that land is called coast. And if the land is or coast is very flat, then that flat coast is called beach. And how many of you have gone to beach? Okay, where? Digha beach. Okay. There are many other beaches are there in India. Okay. Now read up to this and learn the name of the continents and oceans. You should know them by heart. Thank you.